ইংলিশ ডিবেট কিভাবে করতে হয় কিছু নিয়ম বলবো, এবং আমার আগের যে স্টুডেন্ট যারা ছিল গত ব্যাচের, যারা বিতর্কে পারদর্শী ইংলিশ, বিশেষ করে ইংলিশ ডিবেটে, তারা তোমাদেরকে হেল্প করবে। আমি এদের নাম বলছি, যেমন আছে শখ, পূর্ণ, মোদাব্বির, অনন্যা, ফাইজা, আর কি আছে, আরো অনেকে আছে আজকে এখানে উপস্থিত নেই। ওরা তোমাদেরকে হেল্প, আমি তোমাদের একটু দেখাচ্ছি আমাদের পুরানদের কাছ থেকে যারা সিনিয়র ছিল। আমি দুজন বক্তাকে দাঁড় করাচ্ছি, এরা একটু বলবে। মনে করো আমাদের একটা বিষয় ছিল ইমাজিনেশন ইজ better than request to say or present his speech for the favor. Mudabbir, who is the first speaker, you are requested to say for the motion.
Honorable moderator, respected judges and dear audience, at first take my salam, assalamu alaikum. I am Mudabbir and I am the first speaker of my team. I am going to say for the motion of imagination is better than reality. Now I am starting my speech. Imagination is the mental ability. What is imagination? Imagination is the mental ability to form new ideas, image or concepts that are not immediately present. It is not limited to visual representation. It can involve all type of sense. Now, what is reality? Reality is the state of things which is they are actually exist. We can imagine it without reality, but reality can never be real without imagination. Reality must be imagined to be
For
real.
your excellent speech, Mudabbir. Yes, thank you to all. Now I'd like to request to say against the motion. Who will say against the motion? The first speaker is Masharul Hamid Purno. You are requested to express your opinion for the against the motion. The motion is imagination is better than reality. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Here present, honorable moderator, honorable judges, and my opponents. Take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Today's debate motion is imagination is better than reality. I am the first speaker of my team, and my team is against of the motion. While imagination is important, I believe reality is better. Imagination is the ability of the mind to create ideas or concepts that are not present to our sense. Better than is a phrase used to indicate that one thing surpasses another in quality, performance, or some other things. Reality refers to the state of things as they actually exist. First, real world achievement in the real world. Imagination might give us ideas, but only in reality can we make those ideas come true. Second, reality helps us grow. Facing real challenges and problems teaches us valuable lessons. If we only relied on imagination, we would not learn those important life lessons. I have a question to my opponent that can you name something amazing that was created only using imagination without any real world work? Third, relationships are important. Our connections with family and friends.
Thank you. We have no so much time, but you should not speak more than 1 minute.